So on this channel, I have done multiple videos of screen protector installs. This one looks to be a little bit different from years past. Now I've done a lot of different brands. This is from WSKEN. This is a iPhone 15 Pro Max version, but essentially this is a 2-pack, but it's different in how it actually puts the screen protector on. It automatically aligns it, which a lot of them do anymore, but it also has this static remover that's supposed to help accidentally getting something, a piece of lint or something, underneath the screen protector while you're installing it, which is a different way of doing it than pretty much any other screen protector install I've ever used. So I'm looking forward to trying this out. Let's try out the WSKEN, I guess it's the Pursue Forever, but either way, it's their more advanced, their screen protector install. Okay, so let's start by actually opening up the box. Now, they say zero bubble and dust elimination basically built into this contraption, I guess. And it's exactly that. It's a contraption. It's not just put it down and then push in the middle of the thing and it puts it out. It's supposed to be quite a bit different than other sets. So lift it up like so. They have a whole bunch of stuff in here. So they have a mechanism here. We'll have to look into the instructions. They actually have a tool for getting the bubbles out with that, I guess. Just a thank you card there. Just a piece of foam probably for packaging. Some stickers for you. Panda stickers, all right. Instruction manual, installation tools. Inside the installation tool pack, we have small microfiber cloth, a wet wipe, check that, 2 wet wipes, dust absorber, basically a dust sticker. So that's basically what comes in there. There's a second dust sticker in here. So this is the installation set for both, because there is a second screen protector. It is a 2-pack. So I'm going to take one of each of these, kind of slide it back in here, because that's going to go with the second screen protector. So let's walk through the actual steps, step by step. If I actually go by their sheet, step 1, put the phone in here. Now I have a screen protector I have to remove yet from my phone. But once you put it in here, step 1 is put the phone in the tray. Step 2, clean the screen with the wet wipe or the alcohol pad, right? And then step 3, and also any dust with the sticker, things like that. Basically clean the screen is step 2. Step 3 is put the lever down. Step 4 is pull this, which they call the dust elimination film. That's what this guy right here is. Should have a static cling on it, which is going to pull any additional dust that we miss out of there. Step 5, then while you're holding the gray box, you're going to pull the actual plastic piece here, pull that down. And then step 6 is take off the plastic protective layer off the screen. So with that said, I'm going to get my current screen protector, which has been doing me very well. I have no problems with the screen protector, but for the instance of science. All right, now I'm going to set my phone in here for step 1. I'm going to check the camera angle. So that was step 1. Step 2 is taking this wet wipe and actually cleaning the screen. Everywhere that I can clean, I'm going to clean. Make sure it's as good as possible. I mean, in all reality, you could just clean the screen a little bit before you even get to step 1 where you put the phone in here, but I'm just going to follow their steps, step by step. Now my screen was obviously pretty darn clean because it had a screen protector on it that didn't have anything underneath. There we are, clean. Now I'm also going to take the dust absorber sticker, and there is a few pieces that are here. I'm just going to try to get what I can. Now this is the normal process, right? And even in this process, I would, argue there's a small percentage of times when I go to do this that I miss something. And like when the phone turns on, it's harder to see. I try not to breathe as much. That looks pretty good. It definitely has static cling to that plastic. Okay, I'm gonna call that good. Step 3, plastic down, screen protector down, tray down, firmly down. Step 4, pull the dust elimination tray. We're gonna pull this guy off. There we go. That's step 4. Step 5, holding this gray tray, we're going to pull the whole plastic thing down. So this whole guy, and it has basically a roller is what it looks like, all the way down. And then I'm assuming going all the way back up. Open the tray. That's step 5. Step 6, tear off the outer protection layer, finish the operation. So this is the plastic protective layer right here. Oh, that just lifts up. Well, there you go. Well, that's almost a perfect install. I was a little skeptical of how well this actually worked. I mean, there's, I don't know, maybe a small air bubble right there. Let's check this out. A small one right there, but I just used this little tool and it just sucked it right down. I mean, that was it. That is the fastest screen install I've actually ever done. And I felt, yeah, that's kind of crazy. This, just an extra piece that they put in there. And of course, more than anything is this contraption. I wonder if you can get refills for this, because now there are a second set of instructions for reloading this. So essentially you have, make sure that nothing else remains in the box. So I would assume you're taking this, all of this out. So does it pop out or? Oh yeah, okay, so these little green guys come out and that's what you use to align it. I'm assuming that you have to take this out. Let's see here. Oh no, it literally has those rivets in the next set. So we pull this out of the package, put the rivets in. Okay, that was stupid easy to reload. I was skeptical about this process. I really like this screen install kit. This is as simple as I can say this. So I think on Amazon this goes for 26 bucks, but they typically have coupons. Right now they have a 40% off coupon on Amazon.com from WSKEN, and so basically it brings it down to about 16 bucks. It's a 40% off coupon. So, you know, with tax, less than $17 is what it looks like in my cart for a 2-pack of screen protectors that pretty much anybody can install. This might be my new favorite screen protector to recommend to people. I've done a lot, so it really, you know, whether or not I need this contraption or not, but this makes it really easy. And more than anything, screen protectors, it's all about, you know, can you get all of the bubbles out? And I didn't have to do anything almost. And does it work with cases that kind of wrap around the edges? Yes, it does. It protects the camera. It protects every piece. I'm happy. WSKEN, you did a really good job with this. I fully support your endeavor of making this screen protector install easier and less likely to fail, because I've had ones that failed. So, do I recommend this one for this price? Yes. Yes, I absolutely do. I will put a link in the description. Check it out. Let me know what you think. This is it's such a neat contraption. I understand why it costs more, just because of all the pieces that go into it. That's awesome. I would love to see if you could get refills for this outside of just the one that comes with it. But I could argue that how many screen protectors are you probably going to go with in one specific phone model, because the cage may be a different size, because it's obviously built for that phone model. So thank you for checking out this video. Like, comment, share, subscribe for me. Let me know what you think. But if you have anybody that's looking for a simple, easy to install, quality glass screen protector kit, this is the one that I'm going to recommend from here on out until proven otherwise. So good job, guys. Thanks for watching the end of the video. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Like I said, come back here to GeekSmart, and thanks for watching to the end. So, yeah, we'll catch you back here for another future video install. We'll see you soon.